Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your dog's airdrop tokens to your Telegram wallet. This tutorial is quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into. Now, once you will open up your dog's application and you have your coins here, you will have an option for a withdrawal. So you want to click on it, and now you want to go to your Telegram wallet, open it up. And from here at the bottom, you will see more assets. So you want to click on it. And as you can see, there is dogs. So you want to click on it. And as you can see, you can go ahead and receive it. So you want to choose a receive option. And you need to go ahead and sell it. You need to copy the address basically and send dogs to this address of yours. And once you will copy the address and paste it to your dog's airdrop, you will be able to send it here to your Telegram. So that's it guys in today's video, and if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.